Good morning, class family. It's a magnificent Monday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. May 6th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Monday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letter sounds and CVC words. Next, we will go on Lexia and do literacy centers. Then, we will listen and make connections to a poem. Last, we will write sounds that we hear and write sentences. It is a great day, love Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, we're going to look back and reread the message. Remember, that's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. I noticed the spelling for this month starts with a capital letter M, then an A, and Y. What does that say? I heard some of you. It does say May. If you knew that, great job. Notice the capital letter M to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's reread from top to bottom and left to right. May 6th, 2024. Dear class family, after the greeting, look at the first telling sentence. I noticed a capital letter T that starts that sentence and appeared at the end. Good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. Today is Monday. It is Monday. It's a magnificent Monday. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every single day. We're working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're practicing being a great communicator and collaborator by speaking clearly with our mouths and listening with our ears. That's what good communicators do. Okay, class family, we're going to go ahead and see the sequence of what we're doing in language arts. Remember, sequence is the order of events. Okay, I noticed this sentence starts with this transitional word. Say it with me. First. First, we will learn letter sounds and CVC words. Okay, just like we do every day at kindergarten, we're going to learn using so many resources, including our word wall with the foundations cards. We'll review letter sounds, pictures to match that word in American Sign Language. We'll go through and read the kindergarten high frequency words, also known as sight words, fast words, and when using U-Fly, heart words. These are the words you need to know, read, and spell to be ready for first grade. We'll go through the first grade words too, and we're going to be doing CVC words today. So when we are doing our CVC words with dun-dun-dun-dun, phonemic awareness, we're going to be tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound, saying that whole word. We're also going to write them in our writing journal and do one of the CVC word songs where we stand up, move our bodies, and use our mouths to break down each word with that beginning, middle, and ending sound, and then saying that whole word. It's going to be a great review. Okay, look at this transitional word here. Say it. Next. Next, we'll go on Lexia and do literacy centers. Okay, it's crunch time till first grade, class family. We're going to log on to our iPads for Lexia Core 5 reading program. You're going to pass more units, pump your brains with knowledge, and we only have a very short amount of time left before the end of the school year. And your iPads are collected, so if you're on a first grade Lexia level, your mission is to try to finish that up to start the second grade Lexia. And if you are still on a kindergarten Lexia, let's get that finished and start first grade Lexia. Okay, we'll also do some other literacy centers today. We'll be doing PALS, phonological awareness literacy screening. So when your name is called, you're going to come over to the table and show what you know. You're also going to be having some other centers within the classroom. So whenever a teacher calls your name, remember to listen the first time. Okay, look at this transitional word right here. Then. Then we will listen and make connections to a poem. We're going to listen to a poem. We're going to make connections. And that's what good readers do. They make connections. So we're going to talk about what the poem makes us think and feel and use that good communication strategies, being a communicator and collaborator, to share our thinking about the poem as well as listening to others. And we'll look back at that poem for some text evidence to prove why the poem makes us feel or think a certain way. Okay, look at this transitional word, last. Last we'll write sounds that we hear and write sentences. Okay, so during writing workshop, we will be writing sounds that we hear. So remember, we're going to be saying the word and listen carefully for those sounds, and we'll write some sentences. Shout out to Jack Hartman's Parts of a Sentence song. We'll be using your song today in kindergarten and some other YouTube channels. Mr. B's Singing Walrus and the Learning Station. It's going to be a fantastic day. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Okay, so it is a great day. Yes, it is. And our Would You Rather question for today is, would you rather eat onions or worms? Why? Think about your answer. Ooh, look at the picture and get ready to be a great communicator. Would you rather eat onions or worms? Why?